Shukrana to Guruji for everything. I'll share before I share my journey, I think it'll be helpful to talk a little bit about how I connected to Guruji. So, I connected with him in 2022, so it's fairly recent. And during that time, actually, myself and my husband, we were going through a lot of mental and emotional turmoil. It almost felt like a nightmare for a parent. So my daughter, you'll see her running around. She's now 6 years old, but उस time पर she was diagnosed with a big hole in her heart, and we were told that she has to go through an open heart surgery, right? And you can imagine like the nightmare and the stress that we were going through. And that was the time when one of my very close friends, वो गुरुजी के सत्संग में आती थी और वो गुरुजी में काफ़ी मानती थी. She introduced me to Guruji. Shukrana to her for bringing me here and for introducing me to Guruji. And हम आने लगे हफ्ते में, कभी हम महीने में एक बार, कभी महीने में 3 बार ऐसे आते थे. और whenever we would come here, I would feel very much at peace. And I felt like I was getting that strength inside if I was here, right? Then came 2023 and the doctors told us that either we have to go for the surgery in 2023 or we can wait till 2026. Obviously we were not mentally prepared for it. तो हमने सोचा कि ठीक है हम 2026 में करेंगे शायद. But एक दिन I was in satsang here and I just suddenly felt that Guruji is there. And he was telling us that go for it and it'll all be fine. So we went for it. We decided कि हम करते हैं, इसी साल करेंगे and let's get it done. So the surgery day came. उसका सर्जरी हुआ. Thanks to Guruji, शुक्राना. उसका सर्जरी ठीक हुआ. हमें डॉक्टर ने बोला as usual कि she'll be in ICU for 12 or 24 hours and she'll be under observation, right? And because she's so young, we could sit with her in the ICU. And after a few hours, we started noticing कि बहुत सारे doctors आने लग गए, nurses आने लग गई, and we got scared, worried. And then we finally asked him कि भाई क्या हुआ, what is going on? And they said कि we don't know what's happening, but her oxygen levels have dropped, and she's not able to breathe, right? Oxygen. तो फिर उन्होंने उसको एक स्मॉल CPAP मशीन पे लगाया to keep her under observation, but her oxygen levels were not recovering. Okay. Then after a few hours, they moved her to a bigger CPAP machine. Okay. Obviously, we were very, very nervous, very scared. We were praying to every possible God, sitting there in the ICU. This continued for several hours. She would wake up, she would cry for water. They would put her back on sedation. And like this continued for 30 hours, okay? And she started getting bruising all around her face. She was in a very bad state. I don't know what happened to me, but at that point, I just surrendered to Guruji. And मैंने Guruji का मंत्र जाप लगाया. I was sitting next to her. And between me and my husband, we took turns. And हमने पूरी रात Guruji का मंत्र जाप किया. We just did it. We didn't care कि रूम में डॉक्टर है, नर्स है, कौन है, हम बस करते रहे. And you won't believe, like I mean, next day morning, the doctors come and tell us कि her oxygen levels have recovered. They're better. They hadn't fully recovered, but they were better. And I don't know what happened to me, but उस दिन मैंने डॉक्टर्स के सामने जाके उनसे लड़ाई की. I cried, I begged. I told them you have to remove her from that big machine. She's miserable. Please move her to a smaller machine. I don't know why I said that. I honestly don't know. And they moved her to a smaller machine. And within an hour, her oxygen levels were back to normal. I mean, Shukrana to Guruji. It was just a magic. Like the doctors could not, like how many doctors said what had happened, and they said we don't know what happened and we don't know how she recovered. And within 3 to 4 hours, she was actually out of ICU. Till day, like उसके पहले तक मैं आपको सच बताती हूँ, मैं यहाँ बैठती थी और मैं सत्संग सुनती थी. मुझे लगता था कि ऐसा सच में हो सकता है यार. until that day when I surrendered to Guruji and believed in the faith, I didn't know that something like this is actually possible. Not just this, so both my daughter and I, because of this experience, I think after the surgery, literally for 2 to 3 months, we used to get nightmares. So वो उठ जाती थी रात को, वो रोने लगती थी, मैं उठ जाती थी रात को. We would just play Guruji's mantra jap and she would calm down and she would go back to bed. I would go back to bed. So since then, I mean, Guruji has been there for us. He's given us peace, he's given us strength, he's given us energy to recover. With his grace, she's doing fully fine. She's completely recovered. She's healed and she's thriving now. So I think we owe her life to Guruji, and I don't know. I mean, I don't know what we would have done without him. So she's turning 6, and we thought this would be a beautiful occasion to celebrate that with Guruji and this Satsang Parivar. So thank you so much for being here today. Aap sabka shukrana. And I'm very faithful that Guruji will bless all of us, will bless all of you. Yeah, thank you so much.